Hey, how you doing? This is Said Khan from affiliateship.com, and I'm back with another video for you. And in this video I'm going to talk about how to earn multiple affiliate commissions from a single sale and for your one-time efforts. Okay, so there are many ways to get paid as an affiliate, right? Some common ways is that you get paid per sale, you can get paid per lead, you can get paid per action that the visitor you referred to can take. Okay, so there are different ways to get paid, but one particular type of commission that you can earn is the ability to get paid throughout all of the funnel. Okay, also referred to as the back end of the funnel. All right, part of the back end of the funnel. So a funnel, if you're not sure, if you're not familiar what it is, a funnel is simply a logical set of steps that the product owner creates for the customer to go through when they are buying products from a company. Okay, so from the customer perspective, when buying online, it's a series of web pages that the customer goes through when they go to purchase a product. For example, when they buy a product, they are taken to additional web pages that may offer upgrades and upsells of additional products that usually complement the original product, improve the original product, and just add some extras to the original product that will help your experience of using the product. Okay, improve your experience of using the product maybe. So you may be familiar with this process. As soon as you buy something, you're offered some upgrades and recommended offers immediately after you buy. Okay, as an affiliate, when promoting these types of offers that pay out on the entire funnel, you can earn multiple commissions from a single sale as you get paid on the upsells and upgrades. So for example, if a funnel has 3 to 4 products in it, then you can potentially get paid 3 to 4 times, because it's potential that it's possible for you to earn multiple commissions from your one-time efforts when the buyer goes through the funnel and purchases the front-end offer, and any upgrades in the funnel, you get paid. Okay, so what's even better is that you don't have to put in any extra effort, as it's the same amount of effort that you would do as you would promote any affiliate product, but you just have more potential to increase your commissions just because the affiliate compensation plan is designed like that, where you get paid for the full funnel. Okay, so thanks to of course the product owner, the company that they're offering that facility for you. Okay, so with these compensation plans, you get to earn more and boost up your commissions with the same amount of effort as mentioned that you would do anyway promoting affiliate products. Okay, so there are many digital products, especially in the business niche, that I found that offer commission payouts throughout the entire funnel. Not all product owners or companies will pay out on the full funnel, but there are many that do. Okay, you just have to do a bit of researching and find out those within your niche that will offer payout commissions on the full funnel. All right, so yeah, for digital products, if you're interested in digital affiliate products, promoting them, you can check out sites such as JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and Munchart to find out suitable products that will pay out affiliate commissions on the full funnel. Okay, so yeah, so that's about it really. If you like this videos, please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like some free resources on building your affiliate business, do check out affiliateship.com/free. Okay, that's it for now, and thanks very much for watching, and see you next time.